Welcome to my Youcook channel. Today's recipe is called Vietnamese Braised Pork Belly with eggs. This recipe is slightly different than my previous one that I uploaded. I've added 2 new ingredients in this recipe. The flavor of the pork belly is overwhelmingly delicious. The same recipe I uploaded using pork butt tastes almost the same, but it doesn't have the wow factor. The fat is silky soft and it melts in your mouth. Bring water to boil, then add in pork bellies. The purpose is to allow the pork bellies to absorb water and it becomes moist when I braise the meat. Boiling in hot water also helps to tenderize my meat as well. It also helps to remove impurities. I'm just going to boil it for about 15 minutes, then take it out and set aside. Add in brown sugar and pork bellies. Sear the skin of all the pork bellies for about a minute or 2. When the sugar caramelizes, give the pork bellies a toss to make sure all the meat is completely coated. Think of it like a golden brown glaze. Now add in garlic, fish sauce, 5 spice powder, cinnamon, and black pepper. Give it a toss to mix all the ingredients and allow the ingredient to absorb into the pork bellies. Add in 4 cups of water and chilies. Close the lid and braise on medium heat for 45 minutes. Then add in boiled eggs. Now just turn the heat down between medium and low and braise for another 15 minutes. If you notice one egg is lighter than the others, it's not because I forgot to take the shell off from one egg. It's actually for my son who likes to have the egg lightly braised. On high heat, reduce the sauce until thickened. The pork belly has an incredible rich flavor. This is a very tasty pork belly dish. I hope you can try it out. It is on the fatty side. If you are health conscious, use pork shoulder or pork butt. This recipe is usually served during Chinese New Year or Vietnamese Day. It symbolizes prosperity, togetherness, and good luck to the family when serving this dish on the table. This is my go-to dish if I have guests visiting. That's it for this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching my video. If you like the recipe, please give it a try and give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment below. By the way, if you enjoy my video, please click the button below subscribe. That's it for this recipe. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for your support. Until then, bye now.